Welcome to today's YouTube broadcast. I am here to show us an error that will be solved. In case you are new to this channel, this is Anything Blockchain YouTube channel. We are here to uphold solution-driven YouTube. Please, if this is your first time, subscribe and then like this video so that we will be able to bring more solutions your way. This particular solution is a node issue. I tried to deploy one of my dApp that I have developed on Netlify. It was showing me this error, as we can see here. The build process failed along the way. And as we can see, the build failed. While examining the build, I found line 136 to be the issue. JavaScript stacktrace, FatalError, inefficient, mark compact near heap limit. Now this was a particular issue. I was seeing it for the first time, so I thought what actually it was. So I decided to go back to my Visual Studio Code to do a production build. So when I ran my build, I also encountered the same error, as you can see them here. So that was when I got to know that something is actually fishy. Doing my little research, I came out with the solution, and that is what I want to share with us so that anyone who encounters this kind of issue can quickly solve it. Please, before we head to the solution part, please subscribe and like this video. You can send it to other developers. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways of solving this issue. One, I will be solving it on showing you the code to solve it using your Visual Studio Code. Then you build locally a production build using your Visual Studio. Now, after that does not mean that your code is actually optimized. Now, when you go to Netlify or you are using Vercel, I'm also going to show you what settings you have to do in order to beat this error code. Now let's dive in. The first will be the Visual Studio Code, since I am on this environment. So the first thing for you to do here after this error is to enter this very particular code. Export node options, maximum hold space size 4096. Once you hit that, do your npm run build, and you can see your build will come out successfully. So that is the first part. Export. I'm going to put these commands inside the description of this video. Now heading out to the second one, having done this and seen that my build was successful locally, then I want to remotely do it on either my Netlify or my Vercel. As you can see, the error we also had here. So the build failed. So we have to go back, go to your Netlify, deployment environment. You are going to see, scroll down, you will see a particular place they call environment. That is here. Under environment, you are going to see key. It is going to be blank. You can see new environment. You see variable name is blank, somewhat, whatever that is the value. So, but in our own case, the key you are going to enter inside here for Netlify now, because the lookout for Netlify and Vercel are different. So that's why I'm showing you. Enter node options. As you can see here, I'm going to put it in the description. Then in the value, put maximum out space size equal to 4096. Remember that there is double hyphen in front. Do not forget that, the double hyphen. After that, you click on save, and that is it. then you go and build again, and you find your build to be okay. Now let me head to Vercel. So I tried it also on Vercel and it failed. So what should I do? Head to your project configuration page on Vercel. Go to the environment. As you can see, I am there in your project configuration page. Now, under the environmental variables, you now use options here. You can see it's a bit different from that of you can see Vercel's environmental variable name is different, so you use only options. Then in the value here, we are going to use max old space size equal to 4096 without our double space, our double hyphen. So this is how it is being done. Once I am done, I click on add and it is added. You can see it's already encrypted for us, ready to be used. Then I can click on my deploy. I've already deployed this app, so I don't need to redeploy it again. Once I click on deploy, it's going to deploy. So if you are encountering such errors that is related to JavaScript stack being out of memory, this is how you can increase your npm memory both on your local production and on your remote production, either with Vercel or Netlify. I have not checked other deployment environment like Heroku. I have not checked on that to know the actual code, but I think the workaround will be very close to this very code. Please, if you like this video and you enjoyed it, please like it, and also you can share it to your friends and to your loved ones, to every other programmer or blockchain development enthusiast. Thank you, as you see me in the next video.